In this episode of Beijing Cycling Stories, we talk to Bin Tan, the founder of pioneering Chinese bike brand Falco, who are committed to pushing the Chinese bike industry forward by focusing on innovation and design.
I first started cycling when I was in Beijing. That was over 20 years ago. It was a fairly rare sport, and things changed, I think, probably in the past 7-8 years when people are, getting better off, and there are more races in China these days, especially with high-level pro tour events coming to China. I think that's helping develop the whole scene dramatically. Our company was formed in July 2011. I did want to make a point and prove that China can produce well-designed, beautiful bikes, and we're not only about sweatshops and knockoffs. Really, I think that's the most fun part of what we're doing. I mean, it's probably the most painful part, and I've been talking to engineers from other places, and they would say, "Hey, let's copy Cervelo or whatever." But to me, making something of our own is really just the coolest part of what we're doing. To have the idea and then to have an actual bike in front of you, that's so cool. Well, we currently make a few titanium and carbon road bike frames, and also some wheels. As you can see, our carbon frame has a very unique cable routing system. It actually goes out of the seat stay. I have filed for a US patent for it. It actually makes the cable shorter and less bend in this whole cable. I wonder why people are not doing it, but we did it. It works perfectly, and there's a lot of numbers to back that up. Well, it's certainly possible. It won't be easy, and frankly, I'll say we would like to take a crack at that. I think the key here is to get the concept of quality control and innovation deep into everybody's mind in the entire supply chain, because you're going to get bolts and nuts from people. You're going to get molds made by a different person, different company. It's critical to get the entire supply chain to be on board with that philosophy.
With exciting brands like Falco beginning to push the boundaries of bicycle design in China, we are excited about this next stage of the development of the Chinese bicycle industry.